Have you come across a video on Instagram that you want to share to your own profile? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to repost videos on Instagram on both Android and iPhone. Now let's get started. The easiest way to repost Instagram videos is using a free app called Repost for Instagram. This app is available on the Google Play Store for Android and the App Store for iOS. Download the app on your device as you normally would. Once you've installed the app, the steps to reposting an Instagram video are the same for both Android and iOS. Keep in mind that you must get permission from the original poster of the video before you go through with reposting. The original poster owns the rights to that content, so ask them in a comment or send them a message to ask if it's okay first. Open the Instagram app and find the video you want to repost. Then, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the post. From the menu that appears, select Copy Link. Then, return to your home screen and open the Repost app. The app will automatically detect that you've copied an Instagram post URL. Tap the arrow on the right to continue. You'll see in the bottom left corner that the username of the person who originally posted the video will appear. If you want, you can change the color of this graphic by tapping light or dark. You can also change the placement of the graphic so it sits on any corner of the video. When you're happy with it, tap the Repost button at the bottom. Now, tap Copy Caption and open Instagram. Tap Feed to begin sharing the video to your profile. If the video was not originally shared as a cropped square post, you may have to tap the arrows on the left side of your screen to zoom out and allow the entire video to show. Then tap Next. Now you'll have the option to add a filter to the video if you like. Tap a filter to apply it. Then tap Next in the top right corner. Now you can add a caption to your post. The caption from the original post will already be copied to your clipboard, so if you'd like to share the original caption along with your repost, tap in the text box, then tap Paste. If you want, you can also add your own comments or write an original caption. When you're ready, tap Share in the top right corner to post the video to your Instagram profile. That's all it takes to repost videos on Instagram on Android and iOS. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.